Hello everybody, this is Matt, KD2CIJ, Kilo Delta 2, Charlie India, Juliet, and this is my Realistic DX390 shortwave radio, and I have it connected here on the wire, right to an Antron 99. It's actually a CB antenna, but it's actually working pretty well tonight, thanks to somebody on the ham radio, 2 meters, and I'm receiving some weird noise here on 5100. It's right near 60. It's actually right near 60 meters. So this is the noise I'm receiving. I'm not sure what it is. It's nothing on short, single sideband. No, it's just kind of weird. It's like an eerie sound. If there happens to be anything else, I will film it, or to take a video on it, and this is KD2CIJ, and I'm clear. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe. Thank you.